Hi guys, my name is Purti. I hope you all are ready for your upcoming JEE exam. I am here to share some tips which I followed during my JEE preparation. Firstly, eat healthy food and homemade food for these 10 days and have a proper sleep of at least 8 hours daily. And set your timetable similar to the timetable which you will follow on your exam day. So guys, avoid using social media for these 10 days. You can get a lot of notifications, but you can check your social media after your exams. You have a lot of time after your exams. So now let's get into the preparation. So guys, please don't miss out the easy kill topics. That topics which you can cover in 3 to 4 hours and you'll surely get a question from it in the exam. In maths, if you observe the last 5 years question papers, you get 2 questions from matrices and determinants and 2 questions from vector and 3Ds. And the models are repeated every year. So please don't ignore these topics. Please revise these topics, they are very important. And you can also check statistics, mathematical reasoning and differential equations. These topics take only 1 hour to 2 hours to prepare, but you will definitely get a question from these topics. In physics, you have atomic and nuclear physics, semiconductor, communication systems and some easy topics like magnetism and EM waves. These take only 1 to 2 hours to prepare, but there is a high chance that you can get the questions from these topics. So don't ignore these topics, please prepare them very confidently. And coming to chemistry, you have inorganic. In inorganic, NCERT is more than enough. So early morning, every day, read the inorganic chemistry. And in organic, don't by heart the reactions, just understand the mechanism, and I am sure that you will be able to solve half of the questions with the mechanism. Coming to mock test, guys, daily attempt your mock test in the timing of your exam. For example, if you are allotted the morning shift, daily write your mock test at 9 p.m. in the morning and tell your family members not to disturb you for those 3 hours. Imagine that you are in the exam hall and you are giving the real JEE exam and attempt the paper in the same way. After writing the exam, analyze the paper. While analyzing, check the questions from the topics which you are confident. For example, अगर एक क्वेश्चन आता है हाइपरबोला और पैराबोला का टेंजेंट इक्वेशन फाइंड करने का, तो आप एक काम कीजिए, आप इसी के साथ एलिप्स और सर्कल का भी टेंजेंट और नॉर्मल फॉर्मूला रिवाइज कर सकते हैं. इस तरीके से क्या होगा कि आपके सारे फॉर्मूले इसी तरीके से रिवाइज हो जाएंगे और आपको रिवाइज करने के लिए स्पेशल टाइम नहीं निकालना पड़ेगा. And finally comes the exam day. Guys, please don't read anything on the exam day. Remember that you don't have to attempt all the questions. Like we have mindset from our childhood, the exams we give in our school or our board exams, we try to attempt every question. But this JEE is very different. You don't have to attempt all the questions. So be confident, stay calm and don't get tense. If you get tense, you forget what you have remembered. So don't get tense. And in the exam, in the first hour, select the questions from the topics which you are confident about, like the questions which can be solved in 2 to 3 minutes and you will get the correct answer. So select such type of questions and complete them in the first 1 hour, and you will not get any extra marks for solving the tough questions or the lengthy questions. And use some shortcuts in the exam, like in the problems of integration you can differentiate the options, and in physics you can check the units of the answers. Like if you are asked momentum, in one option it can be kg meter per second and in the second option it may be kg meter per second square. You just have to observe the options, because sometimes what happens in the hurry, we don't check the options clearly. So you can eliminate 2 options by this elimination method. And in the questions of area of integration also, you can estimate the area. Suppose if a line and a circle is given, you can estimate the area and eliminate 2 options. Give your 100%, don't worry about the result, and always be happy. This is the most important thing in your life. And all the best for your exam, guys.